In today's video, I'm going to teach you open line pattern settings. We'll start by opening the line pattern settings so you can see everything that's available and ready to use. From the main interface, go to the Manage menu, then look for additional settings and choose line patterns. This opens a dedicated dialog that lists all the line patterns currently defined in your project. Think of this list as your library of visual styles for lines, things like dashes, dots, and center lines that help distinguish different types of elements in your drawings. Each pattern controls how a line looks when it's drawn, making it easier to communicate meaning at a glance. Inside the dialog, you'll see names like dash, dot, and centerline, along with any other patterns that have been created. This is a great place to quickly review what's available before you start editing. If you're unsure which one to work with, pick the pattern that appears closest to what you want and refine it from there. Keeping a consistent naming convention can make it easier to find and manage patterns later on, especially in larger projects. Next, let's edit an existing line pattern. Begin by selecting a pattern from the list. Dash, dot, or centerline are common choices. Once you've highlighted it, click Edit. This opens the editor where you can adjust the sequence of dashes, dots, and spaces that make up the pattern. Here's the key concept. The pattern is defined by a repeating sequence of segment lengths. A positive length typically represents a dash, a zero length segment produces a dot, and a space is represented by a gap length. By changing these values, you control the visual rhythm of the line on screen and on printed sheets. Make small, deliberate adjustments so you can clearly see the effect of each change. For example, lengthening a dash makes it more prominent across long runs, while increasing the space can help prevent the pattern from looking too busy. If your drawings are used at different scales, consider how the pattern will read both up close and zoomed out, and aim for a balance that remains legible. After refining the sequence, confirm your edits in the dialog. Your updates are applied to the selected pattern, and anywhere that pattern is used will reflect your changes. Take a moment to review a line that uses the pattern in a view to ensure it communicates clearly. That's all there is to it. Open the line pattern settings, review what's available, select a pattern, click Edit, and fine-tune the sequence of dashes, dots, and spaces to get exactly the look you need.